The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face to shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace. This is Michael Lager, Assistant Director of Divine Mercy Radio. You're listening to KMDG Hayes. Don't lose his voice in the static of your life. Instead, find his peace. This is Assistant Director Michael Lager coming to you from the studios of Divine Mercy Radio. If today you hear his voice, harden not your heart. You're listening to 105.7 KMDG Hayes.